Good day everyone, Pamela Curtis here. Today I thought I'd give you all an update on this beautiful pond that we have at the cottage gardens. I did a video earlier, but today I thought I would give you an update because the lily pads have actually blossomed and they really look beautiful, so I'll give you a close-up here really soon. But you can see that this is really a natural pond. It has all of the wonderful trees that are surrounding the pond, and we also have some ledge and rocks, big rocks across the pond. It's a beautiful large pond. I'll get into some more detail with you all. In the meantime, I hope you're all having a great day. Good day everyone. Today I'm starting a new series and it is called The Garden Journal. Today I am in the coastal gardens. So thanks for joining me today, and I'll show you some of the things that I am doing. It's such a beautiful day today, and as you all know who have been following me, that we have had rain and overcast since May. This is the usual view that I give you all in the gardens because it really represents a lot about the east side of the gardens. As you can see, the lawn is getting ready to be mowed again. It definitely needs it. So the first thing I usually do is examine my beautiful boxwoods here in these boxes. I just absolutely love these. I like to make sure that they are watered, and if they look like they need something, and usually they'll show some stress if there's some care that they need. So my project today is working on these house plants, which I love to do outside in the patio, which you all know. And I will follow up with this project with you all, but I just wanted to touch base and also remind you that every week we're going to be doing the garden answers on the gardens and seasonal living. Day everyone, Pamela Curtis, garden reply today. I'm at the cottage gardens and I'm showing you some wonderful perennials. These are lily of the valley. Aren't they beautiful? I just love the tiny little bell white flowers. Besides being beautiful, they're practical for a Zone 5 garden. Always, I'll give you more information below in the description box. So among the lily of the valley are these beautiful daffodils. Aren't they beautiful? I just love the color. Love white gardens anyway. What would our cottage gardens be without this lovely hosta? Variegated leaves with the white. Isn't that beautiful? There's a lot more white in this cottage gardens. Have a great day, everyone. See you all next time.